Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether y'all are watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm stoked you guys are all here. Today I'm going to do a little quick, hopefully quick, exercise. I've got some skiff bearings on the way. I skiffed up all my OG titanium S90V nips, but I don't have skiffs. I will have them Thursday for my nips Lite. So what I thought I'd do is real quickly, just temporarily take the skiffs out of this titanium White Mountain Knives exclusive and swap them with the Lite. I think the bearings are the same. I sized the bearings up when I took it apart the other day. Really nice hardware. Let's see here. So we've got one skiff and two skiffs. And let's see what we've got over here. I'll probably have to take that off. Take that off. And lastly, I'll have to take the pivot off. And do the same thing here. Okay, I took that out backwards. Interesting. I'm going to build it back the same way. I don't think it'll matter. So there's one of my little janky bearings. Alright. Let's see what the fuck fell apart on me. So we got a little janky bearings right there. But then what did we have? Here's our captive pivot. Alright. We will figure that out. Alright, so what we are going to do now is I am going to slightly clean up some of this old Earl. On this blade from the S90V that we're putting the janky bearings in, just temporarily. We'll put some fresh skiffs in here. I'm going to put them in with the balls facing up. I'm going to take some KPL Original. Bang that in there. Now I'm going to take some KPL Heavy. Put a dab on my ceramic detent ball. And then put a dab right there. Alright. Then I'm going to close this bitch up. First thing I'm going to do is get a little KPL original. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pop that down in there. Put a little in there. All right, I'm going to put that in there. Boom. And I'm going to take this guy, and now we should have our standard bearings in our nip, which will allow us to put our skiffs in our nip light. Yay! I have a feeling the nip light's going to be a little more tricky, but I'm up for the challenge. And we're only 6 minutes in, so I still want to have this done in 10 minutes. That would be bearing we don't have any problems. Dead nuts. Alright, so we've got our regular bearings there. So I'm going to clean up my skiffs. I'm going to clean up my blade. And fuck. Maybe that, my friend, is the problem. Does it have that on both sides? Nope. It doesn't have it on both sides. So maybe this is just backwards, where this goes in here. Nope. Alright. I'm going to build it backwards from the other one, just because I think that's the thing to do. Alright. So, first things first. Little regular KPL. A little regular skiff bearing. Little blade action. Take a little KPL heavy. And then I'm going to take a little KPL original. My second skiff. My liner. Whoops. My liner. That I almost had in there backwards, which would have sucked. Alright. Let's see what we got, kids. First things first. See, I knew that was going to be junky. Because this Alright, now let's take this, bang it down to there. Whoops. Bang it down to there real quick. Tighten that up, and then we will get our screw just barely started. This is at least the way we... Oh man, I've gone past 10 minutes. Damn. I'm trying, guys. Alright, this isn't going to work, so I'm going to go boom. Let's stick this bitch down in there. Alright. Dead nuts. No side to side, perfectly tightened down. No side to side. They both have great action, but now the nip Lite has skiffs. The OG nip will have skiffs very, very soon. They should be here probably Thursday. But guys, doing a little nip maintenance with my Get Good screwdriver and my KPL lubricant. Thanks Get Good Screw, and thank you KPL. If y'all go get KPL lubricant, feel free to use Javon 10, save 10%. But guys, thank you for checking out the video. Please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart and choose debate, not hate. I love y'all. Peace.